Yes, so today was our day of vaccinating our birds, and I woke up, started organizing a few things in the farm. As you can see there, I was trying to clean the feeders, preparing them such that we put food and the birds may eat, because when they eat, that's when they can really become thirsty. So when we bring water, which is having the vaccine, they just find when of course they are full of thirst. Yeah. So for us here at Uganda Growers, what we do, we first remove all the feeders from the birds. Okay. We leave them to starve without water for about 2 to 3 hours. Yeah. So there we're removing the feeders all, preparing them to be vaccinated against gumboro. Remember, gumboro is a very serious disease in these birds. These birds are good. Today they are just making 2 weeks, but at 2 weeks is when that outbreak of gumboro comes in. Yeah, and when it comes in, you cannot actually do anything if it has already attacked. So what we do, we vaccinate them. So there we had brought the vaccines and we have put in water. We do water vaccination, and they had stayed for 2 hours without water, and just look at how they are fighting for water. Just see. So this is the simplest way to do vaccination, to carry out vaccination for farms which have quite a number of birds. For those people who have like 150, 200, you can do eye drop, but farms which have like, let's say, 300 and above, I recommend to do water vaccination. So that is just a moment after them being vaccinated. We were preparing some multivitamins to put for them in water. They take after their vaccination of the gumboro vaccine. Remember, these birds, for us to be a bit safe, you have to vaccinate them against 2 viral sickness, that is Newcastle and gumboro. Once you do that, you're sure that your birds are going to be free from any infection, and even if it comes, their immune system is a bit strong. Right? So you mix. This is how we mixed our vaccine. You just use water, get it, the vaccine, and mix in water. We get a 3-liter drinker, we mix it, then we distribute. Yeah. So there we're vaccinating, we were mixing the medicine. It is a simple trick, but some of you don't know how to do it, so you have to shake until you see that everything is out. Don't waste any vaccine. Yeah. So just look at our birds. 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks only.